2, 1, værsgo! Hallo! Hallo! Hold da op, mand!
It's amazing how they have managed with all the shapes and all the soft edges and everything. So I can imagine the work behind this.
It's fantastic for all of us to see this beautiful Lego model finally here in Legoland. We've been waiting for a long time. It's finally here and everybody loves to see it.
It's absolutely incredible. I mean, obviously the real car is incredibly impressive and it has an amazing sculpture, but to actually manage to replicate those sculptural forms in Lego bricks is really impressive.